Hello guys, in today's video we're going to be building an animated counter using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So let's get started. So firstly we're going to open a header tag here, and next we're going to have a div inside, and this div is going to have a class of container, and inside here we're going to have a h1 tag, and this is going to be animated counter. The next we're going to come down here, open a section tag, and this section tag is going to have a class of counters. The next we'll open a div. This div is going to have a class of container. This is going to be under container, and in here we're going to open another div, and another div in here, and this last div is going to have a class of counter. Then we're going to come back here and add data target. Sorry, this was like this. We're going to add some figures in here. Then what's going to be here is 0. So let's come down here and add our history tag. So this history tag is going to be let's say YouTube subscribers. The next we're going to come up here and add some like an image tag, let's say img. Next we're going to add images slash let's add a YouTube image here. So that's what I'm using, guys. You guys can use whatever image or icon you like. So let's head back. So next I'm going to copy this and paste it a couple of times. I think that's looking great, but we are not yet done. So next thing we want to do is to start changing this. So next we're going to change this image over here. We're going to change this to let's say a Facebook image, sorry, Facebook like image. I think that's it. Then next we're going to change on to an Instagram reaction. So it's going to be an Instagram reaction, let's say slash Instagram. I think that's looking good, that's looking great. So next thing we want to do is change this to under Facebook, but this one is going to be referencing LinkedIn. Let's say um Facebook thumbs up. The next one will come down here and start changing this. So this one is going to be, let's say, Facebook likes. And this one is going to be, Instagram reactions. This is going to be reactions. Then next we're going to change this to LinkedIn likes. This is going to be LinkedIn likes. So let's check that out. There's an error there. I think this is it. I think this is looking great. So that's it for the HTML, guys. Let's head over to our CSS and add some style to our code. So next we're going to add a star, then this we're going to say margin. This is going to be 0, and our padding is going to be 0 also. The next we're going to come down here and add the body tag. Inside this body tag we're going to say background, then radial gradients. This is going to be aqua and purple. So next what we're going to do is add a color not columns. This is going to be white. I think that's looking great. So the next thing we'll add let's say flex direction. let's say column, and we'll add the justify content. This is going to be flex end. The next we're going to add a height. We're going to add a height of, let's say, 100 VH. So the next thing we'll add here is a display flex. So guys, just gonna come down here and add an img tag. The next thing we want to say is width. We're gonna put it at 70px. So that's looking good. So next thing we want to do is add a header tag. Let's say header. The next we're gonna see font size. Sorry, not font size. What we want to see first is flex. Then one. Next we're gonna add some like let's say align items. This is gonna be center and justify content. Justify content. This is gonna be center. The next we'll add something like let's say display flex. Let's check that out. So next we're gonna add a height. We'll add a height of 100%. 100%, not 1005. I think that's looking good. So next thing we want to do is come down here. So we're gonna come down and add a counters. Then next we're gonna say background color. This background color is gonna be black. So next what we'll do is add a border top. This is gonna be let's say 2px solid orange red. This is gonna be orange red. So I think that border is looking good. So the next thing we want to do is come down here, add a dot counters, and then say dot container. I think that's looking great. So we want to say display grid. Then next we're going to see grid templates columns. Then in here we're going to add repeat. The next we're going to say for one fraction. I think that's looking great, but not yet perfect. So the next thing we want to do is come down here and add the text align, and this is going to be center. That's good. So next we're going to add some like let's say dot counters dot counter. The next we're going to add a font size. This is supposed to be font size, let's say 30px. I think that's looking great. So next what we want to do is come here and add a font family. This is going to be anything. Let us add anything at all. So the next thing we want to do is add a padding here. Let's get over here and add a padding. This is going to be 30px. Sorry, this is going to be 70px and 30px. That's too much. Let's make it 50. I think that's better. So the next one we want to do is add some size to this. So let us go ahead and open a history tag. Let's say history. The next we want to see font size. Let's make it 20px. That's not looking much. Let's make it 40. I think that's too much. So let's just say 30. I think we're going to leave it at 25. That should be better. That's great. So that's it for HTML and CSS, guys. Let's head over to JavaScript and add some JavaScript to our code. So the first one we'll say over here is const counters. The next one is equal to document dot query selector all. Then this is going to be counter. We're going to come out here and say const speed is equal to 400. So guys, what this does is increase the speed of our reactions. So this means that this means that the higher the number, the slower it's going to count, and the lower the number, the faster it's going to count. So let's continue. Next, we're going to see counters. We're going to see counters dots for each. The next, we're going to say counter. And what we want to do next is equal to then an arrow function. So what we're going to say next is const update count. The next, we're going to add this function. Then we're going to say const target is equal to plus counter dot get attributes, then open bracket data target. The next we're gonna say const count is equal to plus counter dot inner text. I think this is looking great. So next we're gonna come down here and add something like this. Then we're gonna say equal to target slash speed. So what we want to do next, add an if and else statement. We're going to say if count is less than, we're going to say if count is less than target, then open bracket. In here we're going to say counter dot inner text, then equal to math dot cell. The next we're going to say count plus I increments. The next one come down here and add some like set timeout and say update count. So next we go on do here is add an else statement. So we're gonna say else, then this is gonna be counter dot inner text. I'm gonna say equal to target. So next we're gonna come down here, add some like update count. So as you can see, that's working properly. So let's go ahead and test this out. Make it let's add a higher number so it can count slowly. So as you can see, it's already counting slowly. So that's it for this video guys. If you really did enjoy the video, please make sure to drop a like, comment and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.